Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones JBL Tune 520. And all controls we have at the right ear cup. And let's get started with this control with a plus icon. So this control is to increase the volume, and you need to press one time to increase it, and as you can see on this widget I just did it. If you wanna play next track, you need to press and hold this volume up button. So press and hold, and as you can see I just swapped to the next track. To lower the volume, we have this volume down button, what have a minus icon, and again you just press on it and you will lower the volume. To play previous track, you need to press and hold at this volume down button. Press and hold. Okay, yeah, it worked. Between them we have a multifunctional button, and with this multifunctional button, firstly you can play and pause the song by press one time at this button. I just press on it, and as you can see I pause the song, I press again, and I should play a song, but sometimes you don't want to work. Yeah, but it's working. Also, with this multifunctional button we can call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. And to call it, you need to press and hold on this multifunctional button. And as you can see, my voice assistant is awake. If you, during the call, you can press and hold on this multifunctional button, and you will mute or unmute the microphone. Also, with this button you can answer the call by press one time. When someone calls to you, just press on this and you will answer the call, and you can finish the call by press one time at this multifunctional button. Next, we have a power button. Is to turn on, turn off your headphones or enter to pairing mode. So if your headphones is turned off, you can press and hold on it for at least 5 seconds and you will enter to pairing mode. This LED light will flashing blue. And the last one, we can perform a factory reset with this control, and you need to press and hold at the same time volume up button and volume down button until your headphones is turned off, and then it will turn on and enter to pairing mode automatically, so you can easily reconnect them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!